Hello everyone, welcome to the annual report of 2019-2020 CSE departmental activities and events conducted for the year 2019-20 under the banner of ACE. Association of Computer Engineers ACE. The Association of Computer Engineers was founded in the year 2009 in order to provide a platform to all the budding software professionals to showcase their talents. The motto of ACE is learning with fun. In order to achieve this goal, many events are organized in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering under the banner of ACE. This provides a good opportunity for the organizers to showcase their management skills while the participants enjoy the privilege of demonstrating their talents. Activities by ACE. ACE sponsors guest lectures, workshops, webinars, FDPs by eminent personalities on emerging trends in the field of information technology. Every year, it is the goal of the association to conduct various activities like coding, technical quiz, paper presentation, team building activities, debate competition to improve their interpersonal skills, group discussion to develop teamwork and good leadership quality, box cricket to entertain the students, quiz and aptitude test to keep them updated about external affairs and development happening in information technology sectors. The association committee comprises of HOD CSE, staff and the association student coordinators. Now let us go through all the activities conducted during the academic year 2019-20. First we have the technical quiz, non-technical quiz for third semester CSE, blind coding for the third semester students, smart mouth, motivational talk on life skills and career guidance by Mr. Srinivas Balaraju, Smart Coaching Academy, hands-on workshop for cyber security and career guidance on cyber security organized by the Government of Karnataka, KTech, KSCST and IISc. Inauguration of Association of Computer Science Engineers for the year 2019. Guest talk on bridging the gap between industries and institutes. Technical coding for the students of 4th and 6th semester CSE. Technical PPT for the students of 4th and 6th semester CSE. Webinar on yoga as lifestyle. Webinar on research funding agencies and how to write a good proposal. Webinar for students on tips and tricks to crack interview. Virtual Alumni Meet Samagam 2020. 3 days FDP on cyber security and blockchain technology. 5 days FDP on ICT tools for course preparation, effective content delivery and evaluation. Online celebration of Teachers' Day. Webinar on ML introduction and hands-on for SMS spam classification. Now let us go through the placement report for the year 2019-2020. Student placed in TCS. Students placed for Infosys. Students who got placed for Cognizant. Students who got placed in Wipro. Students who got placed in SLK Software Services Private Limited. Students who got placed in Entity Data. Students who got placed in Test Yatra. Students who got placed in Destination. Placement in CodeNest. Placement in Pentagon Space. Students who got placed in HCL. Student who got placed in Byju's. Students who got placed in ABC. We also had pre-placement training on soft skills by Rubicon Skill Development Private Limited, Pune. We also had company-specific training for TCS, Infosys, Cognizant and Wipro. So this was the annual report for the academic year 2019-20. Thank you.